So 10 months after launching in June 2011, we're now in a position to share what our average client looks like so far. This raises some interesting points. Our average client so far is male and 63. If he has a partner and decides on a joint life arrangement, his spouse is 62. The average fund size quoted is £90,000. The average term is 5 to 6 years, with these terms covering 64% of cases. There seems to be an increasing move towards using terms of 6 years. This isn't surprising because an FTA is, after all, written under drawdown rules. As such, it has 3 yearly reviews, so picking a term of 6 years perhaps seems to make sense. 9-year terms will offer a better overall rate of return, and with the conversion option in place, a 9-year term becomes more flexible than you might expect, with the client being able to exit if health issues arise. Most people have opted for a single life basis, with more than 2/3 of all our cases written in this way. This makes sense because the average term is relatively short, so the death benefits remaining for the spouse or dependent will always be very significant. Joint life cases are being written, but typically only where 100% spouse or dependent benefits have been taken. The additional cost of going down the joint life facility results in most people viewing a single life case as the better option, hence the 2/3 of cases being written in this way. One of the consequences of such low GAD rates is that the default rate of income offered is often being restricted by the GAD rates at present. So don't be surprised when you see the default rate of income coming through as the same as the GAD maximum on quotes at the moment. You can expect this to change if GAD rates increase, with the default rate being less than the GAD maximum. 95% of our cases have been written with plan protection, which offers both the value protection death benefits and the conversion feature. We would very much like to see this at 100%, as plan protection offers such a strong benefit for a relatively small additional cost. As an example, for a 63-year-old male, 6-year term with a £50,000 fund, the cost is only a 2.8% reduction in the GMA.